According to studies, there are 10 million people in the world that trade in Forex online. 95% of the retail traders lose money due to lack of skill set, mindset, and knowledge. This is a significant problem in the largest financial market in the world. However, challenging times are also the most powerful times as they make us creative. Gone are the days when people have to face complexity that surrounds trading in the financial market. In this day and age, you can be on the 5% of profitable traders by merely copy-pasting trade ideas. Introducing Shift. Shift sprang as a simple trading app that reshaped the way people do and understand the methods of trading. Our vision and goal revolves around creating a value-driven application that is accessible to people with little to no knowledge or background in the financial market. Shift is rapidly rising as one of the world's largest platforms for anyone wanting to access the financial trading market anytime, anywhere. It has impacted thousands of people across the globe, but it doesn't stop there. With new incorporated technology making more new integrations possible than ever before. Each component of the app was engineered and designed to allow you to focus on the trade ideas that matter to you most. The easy-to-use, clean interface is optimized for mobile devices. With Shift, you have full transparency of the trades that are currently active and receive real-time trade status updates to keep you informed. Monitor live currency tick up to the second with real-time pips tracking, giving you greater transparency and control on your risk management. Amazing features in the palm of your hands. Pipify allows copying and pasting trades directly on the MT4 app with a single tap. Pip Stars provides simple visual metrics of traders' reliability, achievements, risk level, and much more. This is Shift. Simple, effective, and 100% transparency.